Hey guys, and welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my fake nails. If you look back at any of my past videos or Instagram posts and you see that I'm wearing fake nails, it's these bad boys. So they only cost around $5, but in total today they're going to cost about $7, and they last well over 2 weeks. So the very first thing is I use the Impress one-step gel nails. There's so many different designs and like colors of these. They are amazing. They're so stinking cute. And then I just use any old, cheap nail glue. Anything will work. And then the very first step that I do is I just push back all of my cuticles. The little Impress set actually does come with like a little wooden, I don't even know, a tool to push back your cuticles. So you really don't even honestly need anything except for the nail kit and some nail glue. So the very first thing that I like to do is I like to just jump out all of the nails on a paper towel, and then I like to go through and find my exact shape for each nail that are going to work and look good. So the very first step is I just wipe off all of my nails with this little cotton swab that has alcohol on it that is in the kit. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to take off the backing of every single nail, because these are supposed to be like press-on nails. I just take off the backing for all of them, and then again I line them up in the order that they would go for each hand. Alright, after you got that taken care of, I'm just going to put like a pretty good amount of nail glue onto my nail, and then I'm just going to literally just spread it all over the nail. One area that you really want to focus on is like that back area right next to your cuticle. That is going to be the first place that it comes up whenever it does start to come up. And if you want to get like as much use as possible out of it, you want to make sure that you're getting that entire nail, especially around right below that cuticle area. And then I do use the little wooden stick sometimes just to kind of smear it a little bit more. And then you literally just put that bad boy on, and you push down super duper hard, and you make sure that it's like set in place. And then you're just going to repeat all of those steps for every single nail. What I like to do is I like to do like my thumb and my pointer fingers first, because I know that those are going to be kind of like the hardest ones to do, because you use those fingers the most out of all of them. So I like to do those first, and then I'm going to go in and just go back and forth between hands to apply every single nail. So, funny story, whenever I was filming the voiceover for this video, I messed up the intro part about 117 times, and Brandon was right next to me whenever I was filming it, and so he hurried up and grabbed my mic and filmed a voiceover for this entire video. It was hilarious. He had absolutely no idea what he was talking about, but it was so stinking funny. And so I had convinced him to do a boyfriend does my voiceover for a makeup tutorial video. So I'm super excited about that. But what I'm doing now is I'm literally just filing down the nails. I like to file them down just to make them a little bit more realistic looking and just kind of shape them how I want. Normally I would clip them because I like my nails super duper short, but I liked the length of these. I like to just clip them with like a big pair of toenail clippers because they're pretty thick, and so that works really well. But that is what they end up looking like. They're so pretty, and they honestly look like I have acrylics on. It's amazing. And one thing I wanted to add, a really, really good matte top coat is this Sinful Colors matte top coat. Really, really good if you want to get rid of that like shininess to the nails, but I honestly love, love, love the way that they always turn out. And again, you can get amazing designs. But thank you guys so much for watching.